Alrighty, so I already filmed this, like the beginning, and then I realized that my phone died. And I don't have a camera that's like all professional, okay? So don't come at me, please. Okay, anyway. So I have relocated to my bed where there's a charger and I can actually be comfortable. Okay, so first things, I have this dress that I got at Old Navy, and you'll be seeing these dresses in my vlogs and whatnot. This is the other dress. It's nice and pretty in blue and polka dotted because blue is the color of our team, and we all just happened to wear blue on the district competition, and then we wore blue on the states, so now we're wearing blue at nationals, and it's just a thing now. And then I also packed 2 pairs of leggings and 1 pair of shorts in case I'm like not up for wearing a dress, which usually I'm up for wearing a dress, so that I won't end up likely wearing those, but you never know. And so I also got this jumpsuit with like a cool pattern on it, but I need to iron it. I don't even know if it'll like wrinkle up in the suitcase. Probably will, but you know, it can't hurt to iron it. So, and then I also have a red jumpsuit and a light blue jumpsuit that I'm also packing. So I have 2 dresses and 3 jumpsuits. So I only really need 4 outfits in my suitcase, but I'm bringing like 7. I'm like that, and I think I have room in my suitcase, and I can always take stuff out that isn't necessary. But honestly, I'd rather pack too much than too little. I won't be saying that when I'm unpacking, but you know, whatever. Is it even recording right now? It better be recording. Now, okay, so I'll grab my socks, my tank top, and a shirt. Cool, so I'll be right back. And I'm just picking all this stuff out now. I have socks, 2 that are mismatched, but like, okay, welcome to my life though. Okay. Then a plain white tank top. Okay, so I have this shirt, which also could probably be ironed, but I mean, I won't be wearing this shirt anywhere fancy, so that's fine. Cool, I got that. And then I also have another shirt that is purple. Okay, honestly, you guys probably don't even like care about what I'm recording right now, but you know what, my friends are watching it, so I got my bathing suit. It looks like this, but I can't find the bottoms to it, which I assume is probably just downstairs, but I don't know. I don't have, okay, pajama pants. And then I think that's everything that I can do right now, and then I'm going shopping tomorrow to get some stuff. Okay. Now, for pajama pants, I have red plaid flannel. Then I have red plaid flannel with hearts on them. And then I have a shirt that says, Mass History Day students are wicked smart. Cool, so eyelash curler, mascara, elastics, and lip gloss. I'll be right back. Alright, so everything on my lip gloss, eyelash stuff, mascara, it's already in here, and I didn't even know that this was already done like this, but okay. Okay, I'll keep those in my purse, and then I'll have my purse, and then I'll put my purse in a bigger bag. So I'll have a bag inside a bag. Here. Okay, so I'm pretty much, I think I'll just do the rest tomorrow, and yeah. So when I do that, I will finish making this video tomorrow, and then I'll post it tomorrow, and then Sunday night I'll post going into the airport. So I will see you tomorrow, which is literally going to be in a few seconds, but whatever. Okay, day 2 of packing. So, turns out I don't need to iron my jumpsuits because there's going to be an iron in the hotel, so I don't need to do that now. And it is 10 o'clock at night, and we're leaving at 3 in the morning, so I have like 5 hours to pack, and I still need to sleep. So it's a little rough today. So yeah, this might be a little bit shorter than the other half, than yesterday's vlog because I'm going to be stressing, so I'm going to be going a lot quicker. Okay. White flats we got. I just need to pack. White shrugs in the wash. Flip-flops. I don't even want to bring, but I will. Charger I'm using. Toothbrush I'm using. Toothpaste I'm using. The beard brushing I'm using. The watch charger I'm using for tonight. My purse I can set up, and my film I have. Okay. Lot to do, little time. Oh god. Okay. Alright, so I have to transfer and pack my little carry-on that I'll keep with me that won't go in the overhead. Okay, so I'm actually not as stressed as I think I am. I feel stressed even though I don't have that much to do, so I'm okay with that. Okay. So, I packed all my clothes and all my stuff, and I still have half my suitcase, so you probably can't even see me, but okay, so far so good. Oh, and I'm bleeding. That's new. Okay, you know what? My health, not a main concern right now. Okay. I am like weirdly calm. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go start packing my carry-on. Okay, so it stopped recording for some reason, but basically I packed my carry-on, everything's ready. I packed Tylenol, tissues, a hairbrush, my retainer, a deck of cards, my crocheting stuff, my bullet journal, a water, sunglasses, my Polaroid camera, gum, and chapstick. So I kind of have a few things. And, okay, I'm going to wrap it up because I need to sleep, and I'm already, like, in my clothes I'm going to wear, and I'm just going to wake up and get out of bed and looking like this, and it's going to be fine because it's going to be 3 a.m. and no one will care. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. I'm going to probably post tomorrow night about the first day in D.C. So, yeah, okay, thanks for watching. Bye.